Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about the latest COVID-19 development in the Netherlands.
Yeah, and quick summary, guys, there is no good news. We screwed up, we all screwed up really bad. So, to know more about the latest numbers and the safety measures that have been deployed by the Dutch government, please keep on watching.
Also, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
It is the season of fall. Soon it will be Halloween and Diwali. These days are important to remember because in this pandemic, festivals are the only source of positivity.
Coronavirus had almost packed its bag and was ready to leave us in peace. But then the summer arrived, and we all wanted the much needed breath of fresh air. We traveled, we used public transports, hardly followed any safety distances and other preventive measures. And now, here we are.
Yeah, I mean, the second wave of coronavirus, it was not a piece of surprising information. We all knew that it was going to happen, and lo and behold, our country is one of the worst hit by this pandemic. The daily numbers are rising again and again, and they have broken the previous records.
Yeah. We have linked down below the video that we released on 31st of May this year to give you the update. That video was so hopeful. The cases were low, the lockdown was starting to ease out. You can compare the two videos to compare the two scenarios.
Yeah, you can just look behind and see how much better the situations were then, and it was
How worse
getting
the
good.
situation is now.
Yeah. So before talking about anything, we would request all of you to consume the information only from authentic sources. We say this all the time. We have linked the official websites of WHO and Dutch government below. Take a look at them, and in case you have any concerns, please just connect with them. Visit our blog as well to read about all of this, and also to see the official poster provided by the Dutch government.
So let's start with the rules. Home rules. For your own safety, you are advised to not allow more than 3 visitors a day. As soon as you come home from outside, please wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds and keep all the clothes separately. Try and sanitize all the outside products or leave them alone for a few hours.
Yeah, this will help you
Get rid of the virus.
virus and protect yourself. Travel rules. Please travel only if possible. Please travel only if you have to. Try to work from home as much as possible. If you have to go outside, please use your own vehicle if you can. And if you have to take the public transport, wearing a mask is compulsory.
Also, when in public, please avoid removing your mask at all cost. Do not remove it to sneeze, yawn, cough. At least try not to. Cover your mouth with your elbows if you have to remove the mask. Refrain from all the handshakes. Go Indian and practice Namaste.
If you're traveling abroad, please consider the travel instructions laid out by the Dutch government. We have provided the link below for your ease. They have laid out every country and all the recommendations that they give you to travel to these countries. And at all costs, try to avoid traveling to the red zone area.
Schools and colleges. Most of the colleges are following the online education system if possible. We are not going to the university campus. I think it's been 6 months since we...
6 months.
Yeah. If you have to visit your campus for any reason, it is compulsory to wear a mask when you are not in a classroom.
So yeah, when you're wandering around the lobby,
Yeah.
and sometimes even in the classroom, it is compulsory to wear a mask. Shops and supermarkets. All the shops and supermarkets are open. However, all the shops will close at 8 p.m. The closing times do not apply to the supermarkets, markets, and other stores that sell groceries. No alcohol will be provided or sold after 8 p.m., not even in supermarkets, and you're also not allowed to drink alcohol in public places.
Restaurants, cafes, and markets. All the restaurants and cafes are now closed. You can, however, order takeout. So yes, gone are the summer days when you can visit a place, sit on the sunny street and enjoy your food.
It is all back to the online delivery guys. So Uber Eats, Toys Resolved, it is. Farmers markets and theaters will be open, but they will have to follow the social distancing and sanitization rules. Masks are compulsory.
You cannot emphasize
Enough.
on the mask. So
Importance
yeah,
of-
don't forget to wear it.
Yeah.
Leisure activities. If say you have to visit a gym or a museum, you will need to make an advanced booking. Currently, no more than 30 people are permitted in a room in a closed environment basically. Thus, if you want to visit these places, you will have to make a reservation.
If you're going out in a group, then the group should not contain more than 4 people or one whole household. So, no walking with your uncles and aunts and everyone in our group. And again, it is advised to wear masks all the time.
It is very important. It is very important to get tested if you feel shortness in breath, loss of smell or taste, or you have a fever. Please reach out to your nearest GP and ask for a professional help. Do not self-medicate, guys. So get a
Yeah.
professional's
Advice.
advice. Do not leave your house and self-isolate yourself from the family members if you have any of the symptoms.
Until you get your test results, you and your family member should stay at home. If you are tested possibly, it is your responsibility. So please let everyone in your circle know that others who have been in contact with you can get themselves tested.
All of these measures were applied on the 14th of October. Hopefully, this system of lockdown will help us change mind of this novel coronavirus.
Yeah, maybe it will soon decide to pack its bags
And leave us at
leave
peace.
us at peace. Yeah. Of course, the holidays, they are here. They will be here soon, and for us Indians, the festivities have already begun with the festival of Navratri. So let's pray for a corona-free world and hope for the best.
If you want to talk to us about this, about your future as a Dutch student, do not hesitate to contact us. We always respond. We always respond to all our viewers. So, yeah, please
Yeah,
please
do
feel
connect
free to
with us.
contact us. Yeah.
Yeah, and we might be providing you a delayed reply, but we will reply. So be safe, guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.